Hello fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? It's raining outside, so sorry for some rain noise. Alright, we're gonna do the video anyway. Alright, what I'm gonna show you today. Today I'm gonna upgrade the JJRC C8809, so the Conqueror. I'm gonna be upgrading it. I'm gonna install aluminium drive shafts and brass hexes, wheel hexes. Alright, this should be pretty easy, we'll see. Never worked on this RC car. To buy this costs around, I believe, $3 US, but price will be on the screen. And this one costs around 8 to 10 bucks, so 8 to 10 US dollars. But links will also be in the description, and the prices I try to put them on the screen, but you gotta be mindful that the prices do fluctuate. Alright, sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. It's just how it works on these online shopping sites. I got this from AliExpress. I tend to buy my things from them because they have the cheapest price, and the service and delivery of AliExpress has been getting better and better. So what can I ask for more? I pay less than the majorities of place, and also they take it to my place, to my door. They knock at my door with the things I bought for a cheap price. Yeah, you can't beat that. Alright, so let's get into the video. First I'm gonna be install the hexes. We're gonna remove the wheels. When you remove the wheel hex, be very careful, because there's a tiny pin inside, I'm sure. Yeah, there is. It's very tiny. So be very careful not to lose it. And what I recommend is to put some type of grease to keep the pin in place. With grease, if you see, you move it and it doesn't fall. So that's my quick tip. Do put some grease. Now, when I was ordering the hexes, the brass hexes, I was thinking to order the same size of stock, because I thought stock ones were 7 millimeters long, but they are not. They are possibly 5 or 6 millimeter long, the plastic original ones. And this one is 7 millimeters long. So it's just a tiny little bit of widening the stance. That's it. Now you just put the wheel back. Next, we are going to install the aluminium drive shaft. So you remove these two screws here for the battery tray. The battery tray can just be pushed up. Then you go for 4 screws here, 2 on each side of the motor. And you push the motor up. After that, you remove 1.5 millimeter X that the shaft has to keep it in place. It's this tiny screw here. Remove that, and you can pull this out. After that, you grab your aluminium piece, and on the car, this thicker one would be on the outside, on the side of the motor. This part would be on the side of the motor, whereas this one would be on the axle side. But you are gonna change that. Oh, this has a tiny washer here. I didn't notice that washer before, but continuing. And with the aluminium shaft you have to put them the other way around. So you put the inner ones on this side. You use the screws they sent you and you screw them in both. You put the motor in place. Now I'm gonna put the 4 screws that hold the motor. It's good. Now for the battery tray. Now we turn the car around. So it's finished. This is how it looks. Turn it on. Everything's working good. Connect the lights. Now it's working again. There we go. It's a little bit wider, so it shouldn't flip that easy. Oh yeah. My battery is not attached. Yeah, nice. So, to sum it up, what we installed was the drive shafts, aluminium. I will put the links in the description, also for the stainless steel ones. I hope you liked the video. If you need to do this, you know how to do it now. This truck is amazing. I absolutely love it. Alright, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you nothing and it does help me. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.